Eventually, there will come a time when your home or business needs a new roof. And maybe that time is now? Well, why not partner with the AAA Roofing Pittsburgh? We've serviced Pittsburgh and its surrounding areas for over 10 years, offering the most affordable roofing installs in the area. When you partner with AAA Roofing Pittsburgh, you'll get a roof that's guaranteed to perform at its best because it is installed, serviced, and warrantied by us. On top of that, you'll get more than just a new roof. You'll get confidence and a sense of safety and security, knowing that your home's roof was installed by the very best roofing company in the business. You'll also get satisfaction knowing that we only use the very best materials that are carefully chosen just for you. We offer same-day installation and financing for those who qualify. And did I mention that our work is guaranteed? So get started on that new roof today. Give us a call at 412-219-6751 to schedule a free no-obligation estimate. We're looking forward to hearing from you.